Program training for mold lifting with electric overhead crane. Before we start lifting any mold, the first step is to inspect the bridge crane, wire rope, and hook carefully. Don't forget to check the remote control. Make sure the emergency stop and control buttons work properly. Also confirm the response of the operation panel is normal and not delayed. Next, inspect the wire rope again. Choose the right type and check for broken wires or strands. Make sure it's safe for use. Then, check if the correct lifting pin is available and suitable. Only after all checks are complete can the mold lifting begin. When using the lifting pin, be sure it is inserted fully to the bottom of the lifting hole, and always keep your hands outside the mold and the rope loop to avoid the risk of getting pinched. During lifting, operators must stay outside the laser safety line at all times. Avoid standing directly in line with the lifting pin. Also, never turn your back on the mold. It should always remain in your line of sight during the entire lifting process. Once the mold is gently lowered and fully secured, then, and only then, may the operator approach.